Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poach an egg boiler, full guide. Start by adding water to the fill line and placing the poach tray in position. Crack 1 egg per cavity and cover with the lid to trap steam. Monitor the simmer and set a timer for desired doneness. Remove eggs carefully with a spoon, cool briefly, and serve on toast or salad for a simple, reliable breakfast. Warm up your egg boiler and prepare the poach tray while you measure water to the fill line. Crack each egg into a small cup so you can slide them gently into the cavities without breaking yolks. When the unit is simmering, place the tray, cover, and set a timer for your preferred texture. These small prep steps prevent mishaps and keep the process calm and efficient for delicious poached eggs. Keep the water at a gentle simmer and avoid high heat to prevent rubbery whites. Covering the boiler maintains consistent steam and cooks each cavity evenly, which is crucial for matching yolk textures across multiple eggs. If you need a firmer or softer result, tweak the timer in 30-second increments until you find your perfect setting. Small adjustments make big differences when you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.